Hi there. I'm so glad that you could join me today. I wanted to make you a cocktail, so I'm glad that you're here. My name is Spencer Watts, and this is Cottage Cocktails. Okay, this one's really fun. This is going to be a mango tequila smash. All right, let's get into it. So, first things first, in a shaker or a mason jar, you want some ice. Lots of ice. Then, a couple of good shots of tequila. Okie Tonight is the night. And then it's going to get mango juice in it, but to balance out the mango juice, a nice squeeze of fresh lime. And come on, lime, tequila, they're pretty good friends. And a nice shot of sweet mango juice. So good with the lime and tequila. Super simple. Speaking of simple, this is a simple syrup, but it's made with jalapenos. So it's equal parts water and sugar, a couple jalapenos, boiled and cooled. And it's really sweet, but it's got a little bit of heat. So just a shot of the spicy simple syrup. Put the lid on and give her a shake. Into your favorite glass. And just for some added bubbles, a shot of prosecco. It's going to make it really nice and bubbly. Amazing. It's delicious. It's got a little bit of spiciness, the tequila, the lime, the mango, and the prosecco. It looks simple, but it's beautiful. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you come back next time.